The only way you can combine melons is with cucumber. Cucumber or cucumber is a melon family vegetable. So you cannot combine melons with any other fruit because of the fastest digestion time. But the cucumbers are 96% water, so they have the same digestion time. So this is why cucumber is possible to combine with melons. But don't combine melons with oranges or whatever, or papayas. No. Melons and cucumber is the only acceptable or possible combination.